Hi, welcome to another original video. Before you buy the Google Wi-Fi, these are 5 things you should know about the new Wi-Fi device from a big tech giant. It's easy to pair. The first thing for the Google Wi-Fi, it's easy to pair. So easy. You don't have any problems. You don't have to call a technician. You don't have to ask your neighbor. You don't have to call your youngest sibling who knows about tech more than you. It's easy to use. It's so simple, straightforward. Strong Wi-Fi coverage. This is the second point, and many Wi-Fi devices don't have this thing, but the Google Wi-Fi gets this point done perfectly. Strong Wi-Fi coverage. If you go away from like 15 to 20 meters or like 20 to 30 feet, you'll be fine because this device got the best Wi-Fi coverage now for like a price of $100 or less, which is actually good for consumers who are on a budget, who are sitting on a budget and they don't have a lot of money. So that's the second point. Number 3, just like I mentioned earlier, the Google Wi-Fi, one of those devices that get you more value for less cost. That, I mean, I've seen a lot of ads around the web, around the internet, but here's the thing, this device is so good and it updates firmware with Wi-Fi companies and internet products from around the world, so you don't have any problems if you buy this device. Just like I mentioned earlier, you cannot control and activate this device without a Google account, an Android device, and a wireless connection and wireless ability. So if you don't have these 3 things, you might be stuck and just return it because you cannot control, you cannot use it. Number 5, and this is the last point, and this is the most important point because for all of you Americans, it doesn't have many customizable network settings. You cannot make it as like a hotspot. You cannot make it like transfer Wi-Fi to other devices like router devices, and that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment and share, and bye bye. Peace.